I'm going to present you 5 ways that you can calculate average in Excel from the worst way to the best way that are going to save you a lot of time in Excel. In this way, you can, for example, calculate the cost allocation from the activities that you are working with. And here are the worst way that sometimes people still use this method, which is by summing all the information that you have. For example, in this case, I'm going to take all those 10 entries and divide it by 10, which is the number of activities that I have. Sometimes you have way more than this, but people still today use this method. But remember that you need to open and close bracket to do the right calculation for this case. The second way is a little bit more sophisticated but not so smart, because you could use sum, take this whole range, close the bracket, and then you could use count A and again take the whole range. I would use count A because in this way I would count how many not empty cells I have, and then I can close bracket and hit OK. There are some formulas pre-built in Excel. For example, in this case, I could type average, open bracket, take my range, and close bracket. I get the same result. This video is sponsored by Excel Mastery. Here is where I can teach you from the beginning to mastery how you can save a lot of time at work. I'm going to present you the best tools and best shortcuts to make you outstanding at work and make you not only save a lot of time at work, but also make your work-life balance much better. So if you want to know more about this course, check the link below in the description of this video. But now you need to save a lot of time, and here is one of the best way to calculate average in Excel. But first, you need to understand the concept of using a table, which is a way that you can combine or compile all the data that you have in the same range, one data after another. In this case, you can go on Home, on the right hand side, AutoSum, choose the drop-down list, and then select Average. In this way, Excel understands that you already have the range right above the cell that you are selected, and then you just hit OK to get the average. Similarly, you can select your data, press Ctrl T to create an actual table in Excel. You hit OK. You could change the design and color from this table, but that's not the topic from this video. But you can go in the new tab that just pop up for you, go on Total Row, and here you can see that it's the subtotal, but you can change from the drop-down list and choose average to select the average from Excel. In this way, it would be much better if you have a lot of columns to retrieve the average from each of them. In this way, it's much faster. If you need more tips on how you can become a master in Excel, follow me for more.